You can create a test to assess students' knowledge and skills for each section of the course they complete. Customize the test page, add questions and other media, and set a score for each correct answer. Go to the EDU section in the Courses tab, and select the created courses to which you want to add a test. Click on the arrow next to the Add Lesson button and select Add Test. You can also create a test using the Lesson Builder. Click on the top left menu, and below the lesson list, click on the arrow and select Add Test. Enter a name for your test. Enter the question text. To change the question formatting, click on the text itself. You will see the editing panel. Change the color and font to highlight keywords and headings. You can also add a link, format the text as a list, and add your style code. Enter your text for each answer. To add more answer options, click Add in the panel on the right. Select the correct answer in the panel on the right. To select multiple answers, activate the Allow Multiple Answers option. To add another question, click on the plus sign below the created question. You can also copy your question if your questions are similar or if you have the same answer options. To rearrange your questions, click on the down or up arrows. By default, the test consists of questions and answer options. You can diversify your test and add additional elements: text, gallery, audio, file, line, and indent. You can also customize the page style and font of each heading. Go to the list of lessons and select Test Settings in the drop-down menu next to the created test. Select the access to the test for your students. Active. The test is available to the student. With the nonlinear lesson order, they'll be able to view it immediately, and with a linear one, they'll be able to view it only after completing all the previous lessons and reaching that section. Inactive. The test is not available. The student will see the notification, but will not be able to pass the test. Choose how many times a student can take the test to improve their score. You can choose the number of attempts from 1 to unlimited. If you select 1, the student will be given only 1 attempt to pass the test. Specify how many points you want to assign for each correct answer to the test question. Please note that in the case of a multiple choice question, no points are awarded if the user does not select all the correct answers. You can also choose whether to show the correct answer. Additional actions. Duplicate. Copies the test with all the questions and settings, and also creates a duplicate of the test in the same course. Delete. Permanently deletes the test. All the test progress will be lost for students who gained a passing score.